In front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Scroll to access Google Password Manager and tap on Passwords at the bottom left corner. Then choose Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number. Password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!